In the new version of Gmail, you can send emails that automatically self-destruct. Awesome! I'm Washington Post tech columnist Jeff Fowler, and I'm going to explain to all you would-be deep throats how to send a new confidential email and avoid getting burned. Gmail isn't the first service to offer self-destructing messages, but it does bring the idea to the masses. 1.4 billion people use Gmail every day. It starts pretty much like any other Gmail. To Haley, got a hot scoop for you. But then at the bottom near send, there's this new button for confidential mode. Tap it and you can make an email self-destruct in a few cool ways. The most basic is to set a time limit. You can choose a month, a week, or a day. Sadly, there's no Mission Impossible option.
This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
On the other end, the recipient sees they've received a confidential message and a warning about the time limit. They won't be able to forward this email to anyone else. After their time is up, your recipient can't read the message anymore, though they can request further access from the sender. Bonus, if you've used confidential mode, you can also revoke access to the content of an email, kind of like unsending it, just in case you change your mind, such as drunkenly emailing your heart to your crush, just as an example, of course. This addresses one of the oldest problems with emails. They stick around too long, and they can get you into trouble when somebody digs them up or hacks into your account. Just ask Hillary Clinton.
The American people are sick and tired of hearing about your damn emails.
Thank you. Me too.
You can go even further. There's also a way to send confidential messages with an extra layer of security. Back under that lock icon, there's an option to require a passcode. Tap that and the recipient won't be able to see any of the content of the email until they type a code texted to their phone. That helps protect your message if their email gets hacked. Now, before you start Gmailing secrets, there's a few things to keep in mind. If the person you're emailing with is on a phone and they don't use the Gmail app, when your email comes in, it's gonna look like this. And tapping on it opens a web browser window. That's a little annoying. And let's talk about security. The contents of confidential messages are encrypted, but the message itself is not hidden from Google. Even though a message may have expired, it's possible your recipient screen capped it. Keep in mind, too, the original message still lives in the sender's own sent mailbox, where hackers or snoops might find it. Gmail's confidential messages are fine for everyday secrets, but if you're dealing with super secret stuff, you're going to be better off with an encrypted message app like Signal. Or maybe even meeting up with your secret sources in a dark garage late at night.